Why is it difficult? यार देखो layers of difficulties है, ठीक है. पहले तो एक सवाल ये भी आता ना कि did you marry out of love or was it an arranged marriage? And people, because I don't know, maybe because I didn't go into an arranged marriage, so maybe it is easier. I have no idea. Maybe it is easy, but if it's a love thing, you're kind of like, you made this decision. You're the one who got into this. You don't have that support. No, even for yourself, right? I'm not even. अभी मैं बाकियों की तो बात ही नहीं कर रही. अभी मैं सिर्फ अपने thought process से बता रही हूँ, because you're constantly feeling like, oh my god, what did I do? Why can't I do this anymore? Why can't I live with this person who I loved and who I married out of love, or who I still love, but we're not compatible? मेरे केस में खैर ये problem थी. But anyhow, whatever the reason may be, but I think there's a lot of angst and difficulty in taking that decision, because there are all those happy moments and layers upon that whole relationship that you've had. ठीक है? In मेरे case में it was a long relationship. So that's, I feel कि वो एक बड़ा problem होता है. छोटी भी हो तब भी problem. I think there is also that thing when you get married to someone. So your friends ना, पहले जब आप छोटे होते हैं, I think people can relate when you're younger and your first best friend से लड़ाई होती है. It's very painful. ठीक है? Because you thought that you were besties for life, best friends forever. Yeah. It's very difficult. And then you grow up and you realize कि अच्छा भाई, expectations नहीं meet होंगी, and eventually people will go places, कोई shift हो जाएगा, कुछ हो जाएगा, whatever. So you accept that. But with a husband, actually you're getting into the relationship for life. So I think that's a big trigger point, because you're kind of like, अच्छा, we entered into this for life, but now that we're going on our separate pathways or whatever the things that are happening, we can't stay together anymore. So I think that is it's a big breakage in that sense, right? Because, and the other piece also, you don't know, क्योंकि दो लोग हैं ना उसके अंदर, इस relationship के अंदर, maybe you still want to be friends. ठीक है? बहुत दफा होता है आपके friends हैं और disappoint करते हैं आपको, इससे कोई बात नहीं, you still want to be friends with them after some time. थोड़ा time देके, settle down, you come back together. But in this sort of a relationship, the other person may not want to become your friend ever again. It's not like, girlfriend boyfriend के अंदर भी you become friends, right? But इसके अंदर जरूरी नहीं है कि ऐसे हो. ठीक है? And then of course the families are involved. I was just going to say. So there is that other big. Now moving to the outer circle, right? There is your whole family involved. उससे पहले be more internal, but your kids are involved if you have children. So there's that whole thing that you were constantly worried about and thinking, how is this going to impact them? Are you a bad person because you are disturbing what is status quo for them, right? And what sort of impact this will have on them, not just today but for years to come. Okay? And then of course, because of the society that you live in, what sort of negative fallout will your child have? Because he or she is going to be known as, oh, broken, right? This is the word that I've grown up not using but hearing. वो broken homes से इसका ताल्लुक है. What do you even mean by that?
Even समय मैंने बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे देखे हैं, they are so unhappy in their marriages, और वो ये कहते हैं कि हमारी 2 बेटियां हैं, 3 बेटियां हैं, इनकी कल को शादी नहीं अच्छे घरों में होगी, तो इसलिए हमें इकट्ठे रहना है.
Yeah. But but coming back to that, and I know that I'll sound very like maybe coming from a place of privilege, or I may sound very judgmental, or I may even sound very sort of idealistic. But you don't want your daughters to go in this sort of a household, right? उनकी judgment call इसके ऊपर है, ठीक है? Maybe because you have 3 kids, you have to think like that. But you don't.
And you know what? Even कभी मेरी ऐसे friends वगैरह भी ना जो who are actually into a struggling marriage or into a toxic marriage, but just because being in that marriage has a lot of reasons. कि भी जो हमारे पेरेंट्स की भी सेपरेशन हो गई थी, हमारे बच्चे हैं ये, तो मुझे सिर्फ इनसे एक क्वेश्चन होता है कि डू यू रियली वांट योर चिल्ड्रन टू ग्रो अप लुकिंग एट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग अराउंड देम? तुम उनका बचपन उसी से इम्पैक्ट करना चाह रहे हो, उनकी पर्सनालिटी खराब करना चाह रहे हो? बिकॉज इफ यू टेक वन डिसीजन, एन इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसीजन एट वन टाइम, to be able to at least inform your children or manage them accordingly. But अगर रोज तुम लोग आपस में इसी तरह से बुरी conversations करोगे, रोज लड़ोगे, रोज एक difficult situation घर में create होगी, तो वो ज़्यादा मुश्किल है बच्चों के लिए.
And now in hindsight, right? So one of the things that I do say, I think now, and again, with the proviso, every situation is going to be different. I wish I had taken this decision much earlier, when my daughter was younger. जब मुझे लगता था कि नहीं, there was this constant fear also that he is going to take her away from me, and but she won't be with me. And for years, that just took up so much of my life. Right? So many years that I wasted in a way, and his also, uski bhi gayi, because we were not compatible, right? And people do change over time. It's not because they're bad people.
Yeah, absolutely.
They're separate,
constant learners,
sort of people, but they just bring out the worst in themselves, in each other. So anyway, but this is one thing which I do feel. कि yes, अगर आपको पता है, and you know it in your heart, right? and there are people around you, your parents, even your siblings, your friends, everybody will, your obviously the husband also, there are good days and there are bad days, even when you're fighting or not managing to stay happy together. There are all of these, and the in-laws are, they may be very, very nice also. So there are all of those relationships that you have to, in a way, break
away from. Yeah.
So you have to break away from them,
Yeah.
and they may be the best people on the planet, but you're like, now I have to distance myself because, at the end of the day, my link with you was because of this person that I met.
Yeah.
So all of that, I think, but I feel, having said that, jaldi. अगर समझ आ गया आपको and you know in your heart of hearts it's not going to work out. At least because when the kid is small, it's different for them. They're, happy-go-lucky, etc. Once they grow older, they feel it more, they understand more.
Yeah.
Right? They have memories. They have collected memories, and then once the memories are not, they're not together anymore, that is a very difficult thing for any child to go through.
Yeah.
So I think ye bahut zyada. And then, of course, not having a second child. Right?
Yeah.
If you walk away from a relationship early on, maybe, because for women there is a biological clock, you can have other children also, and the child won't be an only child, right? So there is also that, because companionship nahi hai, right? Udhar se bhi nahi, we didn't have, anyway, let's see how things evolve eventually in life, right?
Yeah.
But, yeah. So all of these things, I think sooner is better than just, wo jo aap
Lingering
कह ही
on.
रहा था कि just face it head on. So I tried facing it head on, but I also think maybe, I don't know, in hindsight, I feel that, we took too long. We should have just done it.